How to put picture behind the text in Word. First of all, you have to open up your Word file where you want to put the picture behind your text. Once you have opened up the Word file, now you have to place this cursor somewhere between right here. So once you have done that, navigate to the toolbar at the top of this interface. From there, click on Insert from the top left corner or top left hand side of your interface. Once you're here, click on Pictures. Then click on this drive. Now, from your device, you have to select the pictures that you want to add behind your text in your Word file. For example, I have this picture right here. Then click on Insert. There you can see this picture has been added. Now you can resize your picture, and once you're here, click on your picture, and from this section, click on Wrap Text. So from this drop down box, you have to choose Behind Text. Click on it. As you can see, this picture has been added behind my text. Here you can move this right here and then resize it the way you want. And there you can see this picture is now added behind all these text in my Word file. So that's the way to put pictures behind the word in Word. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.